Hey guys, Peter here with wisdomsent.com. Welcome to another video on the crypto movement. Today I want to go over an interesting article that is about Shiba Inu and the prices of it right now, and seems to be people are flooding it because it's so low, but it is also in the top 20, just similar to how Dogecoin is. Before we get into that, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't yet on this channel. We talk about crypto. This is a place for entrepreneurs who like to make money online, but are just crypto enthusiasts and wanting to know what's going on in the market, wanting to know what's going on in the news. So I just want to bring you a quick video today on that. So let's go ahead and get started into this. So as you all know, the market has been getting hammered for a little while now. So there's some green, but there's also a lot of red. And it could still go lower. We don't know exactly. We're going to keep an eye on it, of course. But again, don't take anything that I say as financial advice whatsoever. This is just for entertainment purposes. I'm just sharing with you guys what's going on and what I'm finding, and just kind of wanting to create an environment for people to be able to see what's going on in the news with cryptos, and just have a place to hang out for people who love crypto. And one of the cryptos I actually really like a lot is Shiba Inu. Now, what's interesting, this is an interesting article that is from fxstreet.com, and they say here, it says why traders want to buy billions of Shiba Inu coins. It says the experts believe traders are plowing money into Dogecoin and Shiba because the meme coins are relatively cheaper. So if you go and look at where they're at right now, you have Dogecoin, which is number 10. So it's it's about 5.5 cents right now. Then you have Shiba, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros before you hit 8. So it's not even, so it's, what is that? Fractions, let's put it that way. So, but it's super low right now, and it's number 17. And they go on, they just say that Shiba Inu is one of the largest holdings in Ethereum whale wallets after large investors scooped up billions of SHIB through the dip. So as things have really collapsed, this is a time, at least the way I see it, is a good time to make as much money as possible, to invest as much as possible, to take advantage of this time. Again, not financial advice, but that's just what I'm thinking and what I'm pursuing, especially with my online business that I'm building, because I want to be able to create more cash flows to buy more assets, to create more cash flows to buy more assets. So you kind of go back and forth, and a lot of you guys are in the same boat as me. You're looking to increase your income. Check the link down below if you haven't seen the free web class yet. That's going to be towards affiliate marketing. It's called Success Challenge. And it was something that I had seen and took advantage of at a time where I was just really lost, and I didn't know what I was going to do, and I needed a path forward. So this gave me the concept of building a hub. But again, the link will be in the description if you guys want to check that out. That's not going to be for everybody, but it's for those who want to create extra income. So with this here, it says Shiba Inu released locked rewards on Shiba Swap, fueling bullish sentiment in SHIB Army. So it says Shiba Inu remains a favorite cryptocurrency holding among large wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain. Despite the recent crypto meltdown, traders continue to scoop up SHIB coins. So with it being, 5 zeros, what you can get for 1,000, is just insane. And I remember when I had bought some, it was very low, and you can get a lot for a little bit amount of money. So it's just, again, some will argue, well, it is a meme coin, but that doesn't mean that there is no use for it, because they've shown that there is some use for it, and people are definitely investing in it. So Shiba Inu coin buyers are chasing penny crypto assets. So that a lot of people like to compare this to, whether you're playing with like penny stocks, things like that. It's a little different, but it's a similar concept where, there could be for a small amount of money invested, you could have insane returns with things like this. But again, not financial advice. I'm just talking about how I'm looking at it myself and some moves that I'm looking to make. So it just goes on and says, despite the recent crypto bloodbath, which we all know about, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins in the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap are relatively expensive for an investor to accumulate. And that's the key right now, is accumulate. For a small amount, you can accumulate a lot of them. So that's definitely appealing, why a lot of people are buying. For the same amount of capital deployed, again, an investor can snatch billions of Shiba Inu tokens across exchanges instead of double or three-digit holdings in any other cryptocurrency. So they're just talking about how it's being so low, you can put in a absolute amount, a large amount, and be able to buy a bunch. So it goes on and says, expert at Bloomberg argue that Shiba Inu's decimals are the best marketing that you could ever do for the cryptocurrency project. For an Ethereum-based token, it's a token, 18 decimals are far from ideal. Shiba Inu themed coins and new cryptocurrencies with relatively smaller market capitalization have ventured into bizarre territory. Buying one Shiba Inu costs a trader 0.000008, so 822 at the time of writing, while one Dogecoin fetches less than 1 cent. So remember when Dogecoin went, what was it, past 30 cents? I mean, it flew. A lot of people made a lot of money with Dogecoin. Experts argue that retail traders typically love penny stocks. I can see that because it's a dog, and we saw what happened with Dogecoin. So then you had, Shiba, the Dogecoin killer, they say. People just love that kind of stuff. So it's real popular. And the dream of huge returns, obviously, again, because you can put such a small amount in. A jump from less than a cent to $1 could imply your initial capital multiplies. Interestingly, about $50 can fetch a trader 1 million Shiba Inu coins. 1 million for $50. Pretty impressive. Making it the penny crypto token for the community. So Halsey Minor, an executive chairman of Public Mint, was quoted as saying, "You see, with a lot of these meme coins such as Doge and Shiba, retail investors are plowing money into them because they look cheap. There's a psychological element here in many cases where people think, oh, a whole Bitcoin is 65,000, which obviously it's down now, but the Doge coin is only 25 cents. So it's just talking about, relative of what things were. 40,000 new traders hold Shiba Inu, join the SHIB army. So it has exploded and a ton of people are buying as much as they can hold. It says it's now stronger with addition of 40,000 new traders. Recent data puts Shiba Inu holder count of over 1 million holders. That is 40,000 higher than the number at the end of April 2022. So a lot of people are looking for where to put the money, and some are holding their value more than others. Let's go on here. As Shiba coins continue to be burned, many, again, reduce the supply. There is a reduction in circulating supply. It has fueled to a bullish sentiment among investors, and demand for the meme coin is supplemented. New SHIB army members have scooped up Shiba Inu through the recent dip. So take advantage of this time. Like I said before, that this might be just a short window to grab as many as you possibly can on cryptos in general. Again, not financial advice, but just wanted to point that out. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Shiba Inu rewards unlocked. So Shiba Inu Coin's official Twitter handle announces the release of locked rewards in the archive section of the Shiba swap. So Shiba Army can claim the rewards hitting a single button after heading to the Wolf page for archives. So burn portal rewards are still in the process according to the official announcement. So Shiba Army They say locked rewards in the archived section have been released, all claimable with one button. Head to the Wolf page for the archives. So they got some rewards that are coming down the pike. Analysts spot bullish divergences on Shiba Inu price chart. Valdrin Tahiri, a crypto analyst, evaluated the Shiba Inu price trend and noted that SHIB has decreased consistently after hitting its all-time high of 408,616 nearly a year ago. The meme coin is currently 90% away from its all-time high, so it's dropped significantly. And analysts have identified bullish divergences in Shiba Inu price chart. Tahiri has observed a considerable bullish divergence in the daily RSI. In order to confirm the bullish divergence, RSI needs to move above 37. So he's showing the charts down here. So then they go on and talk about Shiba, and they talk about the competitor Dogecoin, which is Shiba is supposed to be the Dogecoin killer. It says Dogecoin price is at a market break point, and the FX Street analysts have evaluated the price trend of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu's competitor, and a leading meme coin. Analysts believe Dogecoin price is at a make or break point and currently trading in a lucrative area. For more information, watch the video. There's a video they show on it. So what do you guys think right now? Are you guys picking up any Shiba or any Doge at the moment? You know, leave your comments down below if that's something, if those two coins are coins that you're actually taking a look at. I know that Shiba is one of my favorite. I'm not as much of a fan of Doge. I did have a little bit of it, but I preferred to do more with Shiba. So that's just me personally. I sold off at least the majority because I wanted to move it into some privacy coins. But that's a whole nother story. But I am going to buy more Shiba in the near future, and I'm excited for it. So what do you guys think? You know, comment down below. Introduce yourselves. I'd love to connect with you guys, and hopefully you get some value from this. Like and subscribe if you did. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.